In this video, I want to walk you through the basic setup parameters before you start trading on the platform. The first thing I'd like to draw your attention to is the top panel of the platform. On the right-hand side, you'll find the main settings. And the first thing we'll need is the lock icon. This lock controls access to the workplace layout. Click it once and it unlocks. Unlocking the layout allows you to adjust the size, position, and visibility of the blocks. You can remove a block using the X icon and add it back by clicking the plus icon. Add block. Each block is clearly labeled and comes with a full description of its functionality in the platform's knowledge base. For a quick tip, just click the question mark icon on any block. Let's go ahead and customize the layout. We'll hide some blocks we don't need right now. While we're at it, a reminder. Any block you remove can always be restored using the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Once your layout is ready, lock it again by clicking the lock icon in the header. The current arrangement will be saved automatically for the current window size. This allows you to create multiple layout configurations. For example, one for windowed mode, one for a full screen, or even one for a second monitor. In this example, I've resized the browser window. The blocks automatically snap to the default layout. After setting up your blocks for the current window size, they'll automatically load in that exact arrangement next time you open the platform with the same dimensions. Shrink the window and the layout you saved for that size is applied. Maximize the window and your full screen layout is restored. Next up, the quick search and exchange switcher. They are located on the left side of the top panel. The platform currently supports Binance and OKX. Clicking the exchange icon lets you switch exchanges or set a search filter. You can quickly activate the ticker search field by pressing the / key on your keyboard. You don't need to switch keyboard languages. Just start typing the ticker symbol. This toggle lets you switch between spot and futures within the current exchange. S stands for spot and F for futures. Order type settings. The next step is to configure order types. If you're using top limit orders, I recommend enabling protection against errors, for example in case your order gets rejected by the exchange. To do this, go to the user menu, settings, then in the navigator, select terminal settings, confirmations. Find the option that says change order type if trigger is instantly filled and enable the checkbox. Clicking the question mark will open a full explanation in the knowledge base. To work more comfortably with intraday strategies, I suggest enabling protection display. In the right-hand navigator, go to Strategy Settings and enable projections. You can also choose what type of projection to use, either support or breakout. Strategy icons in the chart. TV chart. To work faster with strategies directly from the TV chart, I recommend adding the strategy icons to your favorites. Go to Chart Settings in the navigator and tick the boxes for all strategies you want to use. Let's head back to the charts to see what changed. You'll now see strategy icons appear at the top of the chart. If you click on the ID icon, for example, it will display a projection of future orders for the intraday strategy. In this case, using the support setup. Drawing tools and Fibonacci strategy. Still on the TV chart, let's optimize your drawing tools. Add your preferred tools to your favorites, like trend times, rays, horizontal lines, channels, rectangles, Fibonacci retracement, and long-short positions for intraday strategy setups. This lets you prepare your tools and launch a strategy with fewer clicks. For instance, choose the Fibonacci tool, draw it, and as long as the tool is active on the chart, the Fiba icon we added earlier will appear. One click, and the config for the Fibonacci strategy launches automatically, already linked to the tool you just drew. Depending on your current window size, you'll also see the delta. In this case, it's 42%. Telegram bot and notifications. Notifications are crucial when you're away from the terminal, so the next step is connecting to the Telegram bot. Go to the User menu, Settings, Notifications tab. We have a separate video explaining how to connect it. I recommend watching it. Here I'll just show you where it's located. You can connect up to 10 Telegram bots and configure what types of alerts they'll send. Market monitoring alerts. Now let's set up marketing monitoring to get alerts when asset prices move by a certain percentage. Click Create Monitor, enter the percentage change, select a time frame, market, for example USDT, and get a minimum volume, for example 100 million. That number will autofill. The monitor name will be generated automatically. Choose the spot market. You can open the Help tooltip to learn more about the monitor's functions. Once all parameters are set, click Create, and as soon as a condition matches, you'll receive an alert instantly. Chart templates. By default, charts are saved locally in your browser. That means your drawings won't appear on other devices or browsers. To make your charts available across devices, save your chart template to the server. Right-click anywhere on the chart and select Save Chart to Server. Once you get a confirmation message, your template, including all drawings, will be available anywhere you log in. Symbols list. Let's wrap up with the symbols list block. Here you can apply filters, for example, by minimum daily volume, volatility, exchange, and many other parameters. For instance, if you enter 1 million in volume, the filter will instantly show you only assets with volumes above the threshold. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and see you soon.